The Toyota Allion is a compact sedan introduced by Toyota in 2001 for the Japanese domestic market (JDM). It replaced the Toyota Carina and was designed to provide comfort, reliability, and a sporty appearance. The Allion became popular in many countries because of its stylish design and dependable performance. The Toyota Allion was available with 1.5L, 1.8L, and 2.0L petrol engines. These engines are known for their smooth performance, good fuel economy, and long-lasting reliability. Most models use a CVT automatic transmission, while some earlier versions came with a conventional automatic gearbox. The interior of the Allion is comfortable and practical, offering enough space for 5 passengers. Depending on the model, it may include automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, a touchscreen infotainment system, and a multifunction steering wheel. The cabin is quiet and well built for daily driving. Safety features include dual or multiple airbags, ABS, electronic brake force distribution (EBD), vehicle stability control (VSC), and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Some higher trims also have a reversing camera and parking sensors. These features make the Allion a safe and dependable family sedan. The Toyota Allion is well known for its low maintenance costs, comfortable ride, and strong resale value. It delivers fuel economy of around 14 to 18 km per liter, depending on the engine and driving conditions. Although production ended in 2021, it remains a popular used car because of its reliability and practicality.